Welcome to our Freedom from Suffering Now blog. I'm Dr. Steve Grinstead. Today I want to talk about the importance of having a good diet and nutrition plan as an integral component of your chronic pain management plan. Many of the people I've worked with over the years have had issues with poor diet. And those issues have exacerbated or amplified their pain symptoms. The obvious, of course, is the people that are using food to cope instead of for fuel, put on a lot of weight, and how that can impact chronic pain. But it's much, much more than that. It's not just about the weight. It's about certain foods have been proven to amplify pain symptoms, and other foods have proven to help people reduce or modify their pain symptoms. So working with an appropriate nutritionist is always a really good idea for people living with chronic pain. I know I have to practice what I teach. So I try to eat a very healthy diet with lots of fruits and vegetables and looking at appropriate nutritional supplements and making sure that I'm getting the right mix. It is possible to improve your quality of life by what you eat. And some people, though, have a problem and have been abusing food. Well, they might need some help in that area because they have developed a process addiction to food, for example, or eating. I found that to be true back in the 1990s. I worked with a lot of pain patients who we got their addictive disorder in remission. Many of them were addicted to their pain meds, alcohol and other drugs. Then we got their pain managed and stabilized at an acceptable level. And then they started using food as a coping mechanism. And many of them were eating things and eating too much of other things, and it started exacerbating their physical pain symptoms. And eventually, when they had severe pain flare-ups, it led to a relapse to their addictive disorder. So that's an extreme case. But there's other cases where finding the right nutritional supplements and the right type of diet can really make people's quality of life much better. Even if you're not living with chronic pain, that's true. But if you are living with chronic pain, it becomes essential. If you're watching this video on YouTube, go to the link below and learn more on our Freedom from Suffering Now blog. A lot of stories are waiting to be written by people who have found the help they needed by developing an effective diet and nutrition as part of their chronic pain management plan. I'm always encouraging my students that I teach at the university or the patients I work with to write their story. Get the word out that it is possible to obtain a better quality of life and freedom from suffering. And today, I just want to mention how important it is to have an appropriate diet and nutrition plan in place to help you do that. Thank you, and please check back frequently.